I'm Madhura. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Seez Tauk, and Seez Tauk can be used as a chicken or lamb. It's a Middle East cuisine and doesn't have much of spices. Very easy to prepare. So let's start. I don't want you to delay with this. This is one of my favorite recipes. So I have taken 900 grams of chicken thigh. Usually you can take a chicken breast as well, but the chicken breast doesn't have much of juiciness, so it's always preferred to have a chicken thigh. And I have cut it into small medium dices pieces. Okay, and we are going to have cumin powder, which is 1 teaspoon of cumin powder I have used, and we will be taking a half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of chili flakes, one teaspoon of paprika, and we have 3 tablespoons of garlic, which is finely chopped, and we will be taking 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, one teaspoon of salt, and we will be having 3/4 cup of yogurt. I have taken a Greek yogurt, which is very thick. We are going to add another half teaspoon of salt as well. Salt can be adjusted according to your taste. Sometimes we add little less salt, and we will just check it, and then we can add another salt if it's required. And we will be using 2 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And for the better flavor, we will be using some lemon zest, one lemon zest, so everything is added, and we will just marinate all of them, or coat each and every pieces so beautifully so it can be marinate properly. And after marination, we will keep for minimum of 5 hours. So here the yogurt, lemon juice is making tenderize the chicken cubes, and the more we keep longer for the marination, it gets a better flavor and get tenderized very well. So I'm just going to keep it here for the 5 hours for refrigeration, and then we will start making the Seez Tauk. So I had another set of chicken was marinated inside my fridge, so I have taken out that, and I will show you how to do the skewer. This is one of the best to do the outdoor cooking, especially when you are going for camping, or you're going for barbecue session, some picnic. This is one of the best to do that. So I'm just needling them, holding in one end and putting inside. You can see that. You can use the bamboo stick also, and you can use the steel skewer as well. So here I'm going to keep it. It's the same thing I'm going to show you in the bamboo skewer as well. Sorry. now you can see the skewers are ready. Okay, so meantime we have to get ready of our barbecue. Charcoal must be ready. So let's see how far is my charcoal going on. See here, my charcoals are very moderate heat. It's not too much hot. It has very minimal of heat is coming. So we are going to cook in very slow heat, not much too much. And now I'm going to place it my sea stalk over here. And we are going to cook it. We will keep turning for 2 minutes, and we will be cooking for approximately 10 to 12 minutes till it gets cooked for 165 Fahrenheit, which is chicken's internal cooking temperature. So every time we need to just check and turn, and when it's cooked, you will be knowing that it will be the flesh will start tearing off from the meat. So sea stalk always goes with a lot of vegetables, grilled vegetables. So we have some onion, tomato and pepper. So we are going to skewer each of them individually and we will grill them, and we will be serving along with our sea stalk. So I'm just putting, you can have pepper and tomato along together, but the onion will take separately. You can put, you can see here, these are the juicy tomatoes, nice tomatoes and onions from my backyard. So I'm going to put here. Either way, you can put this way or that way, and we will be grilling this nicely, these onions, which will accompaniment for sea stalk. So you can see here, after 3 minutes I have turned them. At the same time, I'm going to cook also vegetables along with that. So you can see here, like I'm keep turning them every 2 to 3 minutes at low flame. And the meats are getting cooked. They have started falling apart as well. And at the same time, the vegetables are getting cooked. So you can see here, tomatoes are already cooked. I'm taking away. So we might cook another 5 more minutes. It requires, this is already like 5 minutes is done. Another 5 more minutes we need to cook it. So you can see here, 5 minutes I cooked both the sides. Ready, vegetables are ready. Take it out. See, beautifully the onions are also done. So now we can serve with the pita bread. So I'm going to release the skewer. We'll serve some vegetables, some onion. And with some lemon. So this is the way the tauk is look like. You can use as appetizer, you can use as a main course, because when you're serving with the pita bread, it's a complete meal because you have a vegetable, you have a bread, and you have a protein. So it can be a good appetizer as well as the main course. Hope you enjoyed the barbecue session with me. For the recipe, please visit madhurasdesire.com, where I have given step-by-step procedure. Do try and post the picture and the comment, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you soon on the next show. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy.